Hello everybody, and today we're going to take a look at the task scheduler. So first of all, we have to search task scheduler down at our search bar, and once you start the task scheduler it should look like this. On the right side you have the create basic task, and that is what we're going to use. Now we can simply create a name for it, and today's example is going to be meet with boss. Description is a good way to describe your task so you know what it's doing, and we're just simply going to call this meeting with boss. Next up we have when it's going to start. It's the trigger we have to pick. Here you can see we have daily, weekly, monthly, one time, when the computer starts, when I log in, and when specific event is logged. We're just going to pick daily for this. Here we have to pick which day it's going to start. We can just choose today, and now we have to pick what time it's going to be, and we can also just set this to a minute or two. 2 minutes. Next up we have to pick what the task is going to be. This task is just going to be a program start. So when we press next, we get this up, and here we can simply just find the thing we want to start. I want to start the Skype.exe. So you can also use a PowerShell script if you like to, and that's simply just find it here in your browser. Now we're at the finish, and we just have to check if everything is okay, and it is. So we just have to press finish, and now we just wait till the program starts. And it should start in about 10 seconds from now. You can also see it in your library. If you just press refresh here, it should be right here. So as you see, the Skype has launched, and we can simply just go ahead and close it if you don't need to use it. Now we can pick it, and we can choose, see what the trigger is and what the action is, and we can go ahead and right click it, and we can go into properties. Then we have some things we can pick. For example, we can change which group this should be. So for example, we could pick that this event only should trigger if a different computer is logged in. For example, if our boss computer is logged in, then we can make sure that the program starts, and if he isn't, then there will not be a meeting. We can also go ahead and add a new trigger. There could be a special meeting in which month that should start, or add another day when this is going to repeat itself. We can also add another trigger. For example, let's say we have to use a Word document. We can just simply go ahead and find a Word document. I don't think I have one on my computer right now, but if you want to add some more things that the trigger should start, then you can simply just go ahead and start it. You can also pick some conditions, you can see it here. You can see when the task should start if you pick. For example, if you're using a laptop, you can do so that the laptop, the program only starts when you're using your cable. You can also change some settings. You can for example, make sure that if it fails, then it has to try again every 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and so on, and how many times it should try again. This is for the more complex tasks. So You probably won't need it for a simple task like launching a exe. Here you should see the history, but from now it's disabled, so that's not a problem. Yeah, if you want to delete the task, you can simply just go ahead and delete it. You can also export the export it so you can share it with your colleagues and friends. Yeah, you can also disable it so it won't be turned on, and you can also force run it so you also start the programming here, and simply just go ahead and delete it if you don't need it. And yeah, that should be it. So thank you for watching, and see you